What's up, guys? Just want to do a real quick update. Yesterday is my birthday. Girlfriend got me a couple things for the car. Just got them put on. Just a couple cosmetic things I've been wanting to get. I don't know if you guys can spot or not, but it is the filler panel. It covers up the radiator and stuff. And then a new air cleaner. I like this one. They have a bunch of different ones. I asked for that one there, the Heartbeat of America. Thought it was pretty cool. And just new black air cleaner, the suck through lid. Thought it would look good with the valve covers I got right now. I've been wanting to get a new one. That one I put on last year was just temporary, but yeah, just a quick update here. I went to the tech school last Friday. This Friday looks like it's gonna be rained out, so there's a car show Sunday at Point Marion Park. I believe I'm gonna make it out to there. Not gonna be able to stay the whole time, but hopefully that'll be the next video that'll be out there at Point Marion. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to do a quick update on a couple small things I just got, but I do like them a lot. Thanks for watching.